I lost the record on you.
Go to work.
Damn right.
Stick that thing out there and go into peace and all that. We gotta. I know you're. Gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta.
Turned out. There's only one way to find it.
Like what?
There's gotta be a backup plan.
Hospital was a diversion. Explosive used at the cap.
I'm gonna disappear on her right now, and I'm no girl is counting on me.
Out of there.
My little
You just need to get this not coming. Help.
toy. James.
John Kale.
Of course it is.
By the way. Great. Where's that at?
That phone in the residence.
Get us.
We have a scramble.
6 and they come in here. Let's just call SEAL team.
Mr. President!
This is so stupid. Just don't go. Barry. That's a lot.
In the library. We're holding the president. Roger that. Got the target. Alpha 1, do you...
Including my daughter. They're holding hostages. They've taken the building and...
I'm in the White House. Hale. This is John Kale.
Washington. Breaking news out of are going to break. We're just tuning in. If you're
Amongst themselves. Isn't he gotta go talk shop? You know how. Yeah, I think I got.
Did you get the job?
Start looking at him. Sounds I'm gonna start. God keeps making those special agent.
Look at Agent Todd. You're not telling to see average. College, you barely maintain
The president.
in college
Important job than protect. Think of a more important.
service.
I can't.
Why do you want to be in the secret? On Kale. John.
Oh. This is really cool. No way.
With the Secret Service as a job interview.